Guru Kripa Super Classes, your own learning platform.
Hello everyone. Hope you all are safe at your homes and are preparing for your exams. So today we will be discussing about the NEET and JEE postponement. As you all are well aware that KCET Karnataka Common Entrance Test was held a few days ago. The way paper was conducted raises many questions about the upcoming exams like National Eligibility Cum Entrance Test NEET, Joint Entrance Examination JEE Mains as well as JEE Advanced. Some of the common questions that are arising are: will NEET or JEE be further postponed? Are NEET or JEE likely to be conducted or not? Will they be cancelled? Will 12th class marks or 12th class percentage will be taken as the criteria for the admission in various medical or engineering colleges? So in this video we will be analyzing all the aspects keeping in mind the recently held KCET exam. There were almost 2 lakh registration done for this exam, out of which only 1.47 lakh students appeared in the exam. 60 students were even found COVID positive. This is a very drastic health risk which students face during the exam. Now talking about the social distancing. No social distancing was seen outside the examination centers. There were fully crowded zone outside the examination center which totally increased health risk not only for the students but also for their family and their guardians. So after seeing all this, we can say that KCET examination was a complete administrative failure which led to increased COVID cases in Karnataka. Now talking about the NEET and JEE. Almost 15 lakh students in NEET and around 10 lakh students in JEE appear for the examination. Apart from these 25 lakh students, lakhs of people including guardians, parents, examination center staff, invigilator, etc. are directly or indirectly involved. So if these exams are held and if the arrangements are similar to the KCET exam, then this will unnecessarily create serious health risks. But again, according to the government, they are trying to take all the necessary precautions and have made proper arrangements by increasing the examination centers, providing masks and sanitizers compulsory. Since none of us know what will be the COVID-19 situation in future, it's not the right time to predict whether the NEET or JEE exam will be postponed or not. The prediction of postponement can be after August 25 after analyzing the COVID-19 situation. Right now, it is recommended for every student to utilize this time in boosting your preparation rather than wasting time in listening to the rumors. This is a golden chance for all the students. So instead of believing the rumors, we all should stick to the official news which states that JEE will be held from September 1st to 6th of September and NEET on 13th of September. So keep preparing and give your best. Thank you.